This just arrived in the mail. It's the Microsoft Surface Book 3. If you're ready, let's unbox it and see what's in the box. What's up guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing Microsoft's latest Surface Book 3. The Surface Book 3 came in 13-inch and 15-inch units, and the one I have here with me in the studio here is the 15-inch. If you're ready, let's head on with the unboxing and first impression. As a quick disclaimer, this laptop was gotten with my own money. Microsoft did not send any unit to me, so all you'll be expecting from me is opinions that are directly straight from the heart with no filter. So this is it. Let's unbox it. So with this one, it's a 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor, a 1 terabyte SSD hard drive, internal storage, 32 gig RAM, and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti, 6 gigabyte of GPU Platinum, and it's Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0. Let's see what's in the box. I like the way Microsoft really packages their products. It's really premium. Definitely will be keeping this. This looks so premium. Power cable, the power brick. Version 3 came with 127 watts charging brick, and also another nice thing with this is you can also charge any other device through USB. I also got the pen. This goes for about $99, but I got this for $78. I got a discount. And I also got the Microsoft 365. If you recall, Microsoft just rebranded the Office 365 to Microsoft 365. Surface Book 3 comes with two USB ports and an SD card reader. Thank you Microsoft for keeping this, because we creators always want to plug in our SD card straight to the laptop without using any form of adapters or any other supporting accessories. Also, it comes with a USB-C port, and this is where the Microsoft proprietary charging port. So you put this in here, so it's magnet, so it automatically just stays there firm. I really like the way it's really built. It's, from pictures or videos you think it's really heavy. It's really light and well built, and I like the way, if you could see it, I like the way it's really carved out, and the trackpad feels really good. It's not, the trackpad is not too see if you can see it. The trackpad isn't that wide. That way, whenever your hands are placed and you're typing, it doesn't create any unnecessary mistake and unnecessary clicks, and it's really nice. And voila, it's now a tablet on its own. So it's very versatile. So you could use this, maybe you're done editing your video and now you need to just watch some content. You could just take this, sit on the couch and watch your movies, or paint, do some drawing, or do some editing, photo editing, or do some graphic design and everything. So it's portable and really nice, and when you're done you could just put it back together. It becomes a full laptop on its own. So it's really portable. And the Surface Book 3 has 2 cameras. This is an 8 megapixel camera, so you could use this to take pictures or scan a document or something. And in front, the webcam is 5 megapixel and full HD, meaning it's 1080p clear resolution. So in the era where we're all home, we could all just do our video conferencing in quality high definition. Most laptops come with 720p, but this is 1080p, so you're gonna get quality. This is a video quality on the 5 megapixel camera on the Surface Book 3. The Surface Book 3 starts at 1,600 for the 13-inch and 2,300 for the 15-inch. The reason why I got the 32 gig RAM is because previous laptop I had was 8 gig RAM, yeah, and it was so slow. It took me an average of about 3 to 4 hours to finish editing a video and almost an hour to render or export it. But with this, I'm sure in 10 minutes I'll be done exporting my video. For the last one I had it for 3 years. This, I want to have it for at least 2 to 3 years. I'm not going to be upgrading every year, so at least within 2 to 3 years this should be able to do everything I wanted to do. Cost me about $2,900, yeah, $3,000, but I got a $300 discount from Microsoft, so I got this for about $2,700. So there you have it. So you just have to make up your mind. Is getting a $3,000 laptop what you need? Well, you'd have to decide on that one. For me, it was worth every investment and every saving, because I don't want to be sitting in front of the computer for 5 hours, losing so much productivity and so much time that I could use doing other things, when I could finish it in 1 hour and get everything ready and upload it straight to YouTube. So you decide. This Surface Book 3 is definitely the king of versatility, and it's really versatile, and it is really value for money, in my own opinion. This video you're watching right now is being edited with the Surface Book 3, and you can see how it's running smoothly, and playback is full. So you can see how the Surface Book 3 is, the GPU and the CPU are running really well, and everything is running butterly smooth. Yeah, it's not looking that different in terms of the exterior when you compare it with the Surface Book 2, but at the end of the day, like they say, if it's not broken, why fix it? All you just have to do is enhance the internals, and that's what Microsoft did. This is the best 2-in-1 device you can get right now in 2020. So if you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could give this video a thumbs up, share it, and also subscribe to this channel. So till next time, is peace and stay safe.